What's going on, guys? Today I'm back in the garage for another install video. Today I'm going to be installing the TacomaBeast headlights on my Tacoma. I'm pretty excited about this install because I got these headlights for an insane deal. Used from a guy in Tacoma 3G. I ended up paying $100 shipped for them, which is just insane because buying them new would have been like over $400. So pretty excited to get them on the truck, and I'll get right into the install. Alright, so a quick update on the driver's side. You need to pop out the fender a little bit. There's one bolt slash screw. You can kind of use a Phillips or a 10mm bolt, and then there's a little retaining clip. And then these will kind of just pop out with a little bit of force. And then same thing with the bumper. You just kind of got to go up under and push it out forward. It was a little bit easier for me since I did the Viper cut and I don't have any inner fender liner down there in the way, so I could get behind it and pop it out. But so there's a bit of a difference between the stock headlights and the TacomaBeast ones, and you can kind of tell here. The stock headlights, the bulbs just go straight into it, but with the TacomaBeast ones, you use kind of like a little ballast here, and then your bulb is plugged in on the inside. This is basically just like an extension. Alright, so there you have it. The TacomaBeast headlights are installed on the Tacoma. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon so you know when the new videos are coming out. And I'll see you in the next one.